One at a time. We have an idea. What if I have two of these?
Pero sabi niya kumakakala, hindi naman alam na may kakalaman.
I get pistol. I get pistol.
Ayan guys, Pinay TV here. Ayan, Christmas party kasi namin ngayon dito sa pinagtrabahuan ko. Kaya ang daming tao dito. Ayan, ayan.
Look for what?
Ano malupit package?
Ayan yung kay kasama kong ano. Ayan.
Na ano na.
Yan naman yung mga ano. Tignan nyo guys.
Pagpunta ko.
Yan yung paraffles namin yung TV. 55 inches. Ay, yung iba pa.
Na-expired lang.
Ang ingay-ingay ngayon guys. Ayan yung mga fruit.
Yung husband ko makinig sa
I know. Ganon din yung akin eh. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang saya-saya. Malamig dito. Kaso lang may meron kaming dito sa likod mo. Okay?
Yeah, I can give you a raise rather than to get another puppy too.
Don't be, because you have to. Don't be a party pooper.
They should.
I want a lot of money.
They got a lot of money.
Maybe that's why they're
They're trying to build
I'm going inside. Hi, mag-hi ka naman, ha?
Sana all.
I'm on solo mode.
Ito pala yung asawa ng boss namin, napakaganda.
Sino yan, te?
Hi guys.
Ito naman. Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hi guys.